Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial where I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Red Dead Redemption 2 game on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam application on your device, and once you open it up, log into your account using your email address or your username and your password. After logging in, you will be taken into the store page. From here, just click on the search button and then type in Red Dead Redemption 2 and start your search. Once you find the RDR2 game, just go ahead and click on it, and you will now be taken into the game's detail page where you can view the game trailer and also check the reviews. Now, in order to download, just choose from the various different editions and then click on the Add to Cart button. After clicking on it, you can click on the View My Cart option. Once it has been added to your cart, just click on the Continue to Payment option, and if you haven't already added a payment method, then you will be asked to choose one. Now, if you choose PayPal for instance, then when you continue forward, you will simply be asked to log into your PayPal account. Just enter your email address or phone number as well as your password for your PayPal account, and once you verify your payment, the game will be added to your library. Once it is added to your library, you can simply click on the Install button to choose your install directory, and this will now begin the download and installation of the game right away. After the installation is completed, you can click on the Play button to start enjoying the Red Dead Redemption 2 game on your PC right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Red Dead Redemption 2 game on your PC. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.